Our family of flagship brands and the work we do together supports the livelihoods of thousands of specialty contractors and service professionals across the U.S. and Canada. We equip each of our customers who do important work for their communities, including restoration, remediation, environmental services, surface preparation, and professional cleaning, with a wide range of mission-critical products and services, along with plenty of support, training, and know-how. We're an organization rooted in a culture of making our customers' lives better. So we vow to do one thing a little better every day: to work as hard to keep their business as we do to earn it, to be active stewards of their goals and growth, to always hold ourselves accountable. And since their success is our success, to continue expanding on the products and services they rely on every day. Equipped for success.